In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional logo for your website super fast using AI. The method that I'll be showing you today is through Tailor Brands. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to use their platform step by step. The process is super easy. All you have to do is just enter in the details of your website, as well as what style logo you're looking for. And within minutes, the AI will create a bunch of different styles that you can choose from. Now, before I get into showing you guys how to use their logo maker, I suggest that you guys do some brainstorming and some research before you start this process. One is you should look into other businesses that have a similar target audience. That way you could see some of the patterns in some of the colors, the fonts, and the images that they're using. And so that way you don't accidentally copy them. That being said, you should also already know what type of style logo you're looking for. And so this means what kind of image, color, and font are you looking to use. If you need help with all this brainstorming, you could just use something like ChatGPT. It's totally free unless you pay for ChatGPT 4. And so this can be a great way to brainstorm some ideas for your logo. And don't worry about your idea being perfect. It's better to take action now and then always just fix your logo later on. So yeah, now I'm going to show you guys how to actually use Tailor Brands logo maker. So if you click on the link down below, you guys are going to get taken to this page right here. And as you guys can see, their logo creator uses AI to create custom logos in just a few clicks. So you can try it out for free. All you have to do is just enter in your logo name to get started. So for this example, I'll go ahead and put my first website and click on create a logo. You can also add a tagline as you guys saw, but totally optional. From here, it's going to ask you how you discovered Tailor Brands. For this, you guys could just choose YouTube since you're watching this video. And then they're going to ask you what you're offering or what you intend to offer. So whether it's a physical product, a service, or whatever, you guys can choose from. For us, this is going to be original content. So I'll go ahead and choose that. Now you're going to tell them about what you do so that they can create better designs for you. So for us, we'll go ahead and choose something like web design. And then you can add a small description about what you do. So for this, again, you could just use something like ChatGPT to generate a small little description. Now you could choose a logo type. So between an icon-based, name-based, or initial-based logo. You guys can also skip this if you want, but again, to give it a better idea of what you're looking for, you guys should try to give an answer for all of these. So let's say I want an icon-based logo, and now I can choose from a geometric shape, or I could search for any symbol that reflects what my brand is about. So let's say I want to search for an icon, I could choose that, and they have a bunch of different suggestions based on my brand's industry. And if I go ahead and scroll down, you guys can also see different categories like strength. There's also knowledge icons, there's nature icons, caring icons, creativity icons, formal icons, elegant, minimal, dynamic, and even techie ones. So this one's probably more fitting towards us. And you guys don't have to just choose one, you guys can choose multiple. So as you guys can see down here, you could choose 5 different icons that you like. And once you guys are done, you can also choose the font style. And cool, so now that I'm done with that, you guys can see I have a bunch of different options to choose from. This is all based on the styles that I've chosen. And if you don't like these, then you can always just see more right here. It's going to show you what your logo looks like on a website, a business card, and even on a t-shirt. So yeah, this gives you a pretty good idea of what your brand will look like. And whichever one that you guys like, you guys can also customize it. So I could change the font, I could change the styles as well as the text. I can also change things like the icon, the color, and the layout. And once I'm done, I can go ahead and click finish right here and then click on I'm finished. And so once you guys have created an account, you guys can go to your dashboard and then go to logos. And as you guys can see, the logo is right there for me to download. So yeah, you guys can get started for free, but if you guys want a high quality version of your logo, it is going to cost some money. So they have 4 different plans for you guys to choose from. The basic plan is just $3.99 per month billed annually. And with this, you get access to high quality logo files and also full ownership of your logo. Now, if you guys want other things like vector files for your logo, as well as other things like a business card tool and having Tailor Brands actually build out your website for you, then you can go with something like the standard plan. So yeah, if this is just to make a logo for your website, $3.99 per month is totally reasonable. You guys can always just cancel afterwards. Yeah, I would say that this is 100% worth the cost because of the time that you're saving. I mean, you guys literally saw it only took a few minutes to get a custom logo for my website. So yeah, either way, you'll be paying for it either with your money or with your time spent designing the logo yourself. So again, if you guys are interested, we'll leave a link down below for you guys to check out Tailor Brands logo maker. And yeah, that's pretty much it for how to create a logo for your website. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. And if you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. This channel is dedicated to creating a bunch of content around web design. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, then please subscribe to stay tuned. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.